Meccha Chameleon only joins 1 out of 10 attempts. If Meccha Chameleon rarely connects to online lobbies, the issue is usually related to network settings, firewall restrictions, server communication problems, or an outdated game client version. 1. Check your internet connection. Restart your router and modem. Use a stable wired connection if possible. Avoid VPNs or proxy services while playing. Ensure no large downloads are running in the background. 2. Allow Meccha Chameleon through firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Select Allow an app through firewall. Make sure Meccha Chameleon is allowed on both private and public networks. If necessary, temporarily disable the firewall and test lobby connectivity. 3. Verify game files. Open the platform where the game is installed. Verify or repair game files. Corrupted, network-related files can prevent successful lobby connections. 4. Update the game. Ensure you are running the latest version. Multiplayer compatibility issues often occur when versions do not match. 5. Check NAT type. Strict or moderate NAT can cause lobby connection failures. To improve connectivity, enable UPnP on your router. Restart the router afterward. If UPnP is unavailable, manually forward the game's required ports. 6. Disable background network software, temporarily close VPN applications, network monitoring tools, third-party firewalls, bandwidth limiters, antivirus web protection modules. 7. Change DNS servers. Try using public DNS. Google DNS 8.8.8 and 8.84.4, Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1 and 1.0.1. After changing DNS, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 8. Test different regions. If the game allows region selection, switch to another server region. Some regions may have overloaded or unstable lobby servers. 9. Restart network configuration. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC afterward. 10. Check for server issues. If many players are experiencing the same problem, the game's matchmaking or lobby servers may be unstable. In that case, waiting for a server-side fix may be the only solution. Most common fix for most players, the problem is resolved by 1. Updating the game, 2. Enabling UPnP on the router, 3. Allowing the game through Windows Firewall, 4. Disabling VPNs and network filtering software, 5. Resetting the network stack with the commands above.